What is up, everybody? My name is Grant Schofstall. I am an automotive photographer as well as videographer, as well as the owner of Julia, the Fiat 500 Abarth. Today I got some special packages. Now this is my second time filming this because, you know, my camera didn't decide to record for some reason because it was in a different mode. I'm not gonna get into it, but today we got a special set of wheels. That's right, finally we have wheels for the car. But yeah, as a lot of you guys know, the wheels I have right now are in really, really bad condition. They're just terrible. They're not the best wheels ever. They're just in bad condition. They just need redone. And I kind of want them out of my hair to have a nice set of wheels for over summer. Tires, I'm still keeping the same. I still want to go with a summer all season style tire. And these Nexens have been performing perfectly. I felt like I didn't need to spend more money on some tires, so I just went with wheels. So, what did I get? What is the ultimate question? Well, as you can see from the box, I went with a set of Enkis. It took me forever to decide what wheel I wanted, and I'm sitting here talking. I shouldn't be. I should just do the wheel reveal, which is what I'm going to do. It's my first time actually seeing these in person. Wow. Whoa, these look nice. So, as you can see here they are. These are the Enki YS5s. I went with a Hyper Black, which is going to look a little bit different. This is a little bit darker than I thought it was going to be, but it doesn't matter. I love the look of this. Love the look of this wheel. Wow, this is fantastic. Let's get this box out of the way. Let's set it up here so you guys can properly see it. All right, so what made me go with this set of wheel instead of any other set? Well, here's the thing. These wheels on Tire Rack, they went for about $616 for all four, a set of four. And honestly, the biggest reason why I went with these is because they kind of look like the wheels I have on now. A little bit lighter in terms of color, but I really enjoy the wheels I have on. Like, I enjoy the design of them. Just the thing was, look-wise, with care and everything, they just did not look good at all. These look absolutely fantastic. So that's kind of why I went with them. There's so many options. Also, another reason why I went with them is because they're 16s. They're not 17s. They're still the stock. They're still the stock size, and that's kind of what I wanted to stick with. I didn't want to go with anything bigger. I didn't want to go with anything smaller. So I went with a stock size. This is not the stock bolt or hub-centric size. So these are a 4x100 bolt pattern, while the wheels I have on now are a 4x98s. Fiat does a 4x98, and these are 4x100s. But Tire Rack does supply a fitment kit, which is amazing. Also, the offset of these are about the same as stock. I think they're a little bit more inbore than the stock ones. They look a little bit wider, just a little bit. We'll compare here soon. But yeah, here they are. The Yankees are here. I love them. I gotta see what they look like. I think they'll look really good. I think they genuinely will look really good. I gotta get them mounted and everything. We'll take this off, the blue plastic. Ah, look at that. Look at that. This is a beautiful wheel, and it's a good wheel too. It's an Enki. I mean, that was another thing with me trying to decide on what wheel I wanted to go with. A lot of the aftermarket companies that come out with the 4x98 bolt patterns aren't very reputable. They're aftermarket companies I've never heard of, or I've never seen their wheels before. So I had to go with something that I kind of knew was going to last. I kind of knew it's going to be a strong, sturdy wheel. These look so cool, so good. Now, before I end this video, obviously, I need to find the fitment kit so I can show you guys that too, because one thing I hate about unboxings, whenever I'm looking at them and somebody doesn't unbox the entire thing. So we'll put these back. These are also surprisingly a decent like weight. They're not too heavy. They're 16-inch wheels. You can't get that heavy with them. But oh my Lord, I think they'll look amazing. Oh, I can't wait. All right, we'll find the fitment kit and then we'll get these put on. I don't know where the fitment kit would be. I'm kind of like searching here now. I think they're in this one. I don't know. Where are they? Need my keys. I also got another package that will be a completely separate video, which deals with turbo and reliability of turbo. Basically just making the engine a lot more reliable because I'm driving for Postmates now. It's part-time, so it's not full-time. I'm doing other jobs as well around the area, just trying to earn a bit of money. Trying to be not fully self-sufficient, but self-sufficient enough in terms of me being able to get off for shoots, me being able to be reliable for shoots. That is one of the biggest things my old part-time job that I did not like was, or a majority of like regular part-time jobs do that, where it's like, yeah, you have to make us your #1 priority. All your other commitments and stuff, throw them out the window. You don't need them. You're our commitment now. And I always hated that. I hated that outlook. I hated that outlook on life. So I was like, screw it. I want to be as independent as I can be in terms of my work. I open this one up upside down. But I wanted to be as independent as I could be with work, with school. I think I found the fitment kit. Yes, that's it. That's what I needed. I wanted to show you guys this. So this is the fitment kit / hardware kit, whatever you want to call it. This is going to come with literally everything I need to put these wheels on my car. All right, so what do we got? We got some bolts and stuff. We got a shipping invoice, which is awesome. Because I've seen that. This is where all the hardware lies. I don't really want to change the locations either. Most people would be like, oh, we're gonna change the location now. So, bolts it comes with, do gotta mention this. These are PCD or whatever you want to call them. They are wobble bolts, however you want to mention them. Basically what they are, they have this little concave washer on the end. So what it does is allows me to fit a 4x100 bolt pattern on a 4x98 car. Basically gives you a bit of leeway. A lot of people may find that it a little dangerous. It actually is very sturdy and reliable, surprisingly, because you got to think this is just holding it down. If you don't have this torqued down enough, it's not going to hold on no matter what. So even if you're just running a stock bolt, it's not going to work. These are going to look so ugly. These are the ugliest lug bolts I've ever seen. It's fine. It's all good. It's not that big of a deal, except I think it is. All right, I need to find the hub-centric ring. All right, so I thought these were gonna come with hub-centric rings, like that needed to be installed on them, which I thought I was gonna have an issue with that, dealing with, I have so much cardboard now. I thought I was gonna have an issue with that dealing with some companies and stuff. I thought they were gonna be like, oh, we can't mount and balance this wheel because you have hub-centric rings. But if I take this notification sticker off here, the hub-centric rings are already installed. That is awesome. Thank you so much, Tire Rack. I really appreciate it. I really do. I really do. I genuinely do. But, so yeah, hub-centric rings are installed. They are right in here. They're right there. So yeah, that's the wheel reveal. That's the wheel reveal. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy that I finally have a good set of wheels to run to car shows. To just, the car's gonna look so much better with a set of nice wheels. Now the only thing is trying to find a place to mount them. For cheap too. Because you know, you spend so much money already on the wheel, and then a company's like, hey, we're gonna charge you 150 bucks to take the tires you have off now and put them on here. I understand it, labor costs do take a lot, but just it's hard to try to find a place that'll do everything for a reasonable price. But yeah, it's just difficult to find a place that'll do stuff for a reasonable price. But yeah, they're here. They're finally here. Look at them. Look at this. I can't wait. I can't wait to put these on. These are gonna look so good. They're gonna look so good. Anyways, I genuinely thank you guys for watching. I just want to say another thank you. I know I put up a video called Need Your Help for Brady. As of right now, it's like a day or two later since the GoFundMe went up. They've reached their goal already. So I just want to thank you guys so much for being so supportive for him, for helping him out. All the shares, all the donations, it really does mean a lot to him and me and everybody involved. So I just wanted to say that, say thank you. So yeah. Hopefully soon we'll get these installed. I'll do a proper wheel and fitment related video then, where we see them on the car, obviously. Obviously right now they're not on it because, you know, they're sitting right here, but hopefully soon we'll get that video right on out for you guys. Anyways, I really do hope you guys enjoy your day. Take care.